Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming another makeup video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash get ready with me because I'm probably going to end up talking through this video. But it's September now, fall is just around the corner, so I thought I would do like a fall inspired kind of go-to glam makeup look. I don't know, I just kind of thought of it in my head. I don't even really know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of go with it and see what happens. It is gonna be a half cut crease because apparently that's all I do. So I'm gonna stop talking now because I don't like doing intros, so let's just get on to the makeup look. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette because I feel like everyone has this palette, so if you want to recreate this look, you can. Okay, so first I'm just going to be taking Golden Ochre and I'm going to be using that as my transition color just on this fluffy blending brush. Okay, so school started last week, exactly this day last week. It is Tuesday, and it's not going well. I just miss summer a lot, and this semester too is not like my good semester. I have English and business this semester, but I mean, the first day was like, okay, it's school, you know what I mean? I just blended that out, so now I'm going to go in with Warm Taupe. I'm going to be using that more of like a crease shade, and I'm going to be taking it on this more precise blending brush. Also, I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow, and I have a little bit of a dilemma because I want to get it shorter. Also, I want to get like side bangs or something like that because I feel like that could be really cute. Also, I'm getting highlights in a few weeks, so I'm really excited for that. Okay, so now I'm going to take Cypress Umber, it's just the dark shade right there. And I'm going to be using that as like a darker crease color. I'm just going to be taking it on this smaller blending brush. Also, I'm ordering dodo lashes soon, probably, hopefully sometime this week. I'm really excited because I want some new lashes, you know? My Chimery ones are still in really good condition, which is good, so I'm probably gonna mostly use those to continue filming with and stuff like that because I usually just put them on, take them off after. But I will probably be using some of my dodo lashes in videos as well. Okay, so I'm pretty happy. Okay, so I think I'm ready to cut the crease now. So I'm just going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape like I always do. And then I'm just going to be using the shade Primavera. It's just a sparkly gold shade. I'm probably going to be using some of the NYX Glitter Glue too just to make it pop a little bit more. You don't have to do that. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna blend out some of that Cypress Umber shade with... I'm gonna blend out some of the Cypress Umber shade. I'm gonna blend out some of... Oh, am I okay? So I'm gonna do my face makeup now. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start by taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 110 and this is the Hydrate and Smooth one. I'm not even gonna bother with primer because I'm literally gonna take pictures and take this off after. Also, I really hate the shade range for this foundation because like this is too dark for me. I look like the peanut butter baby. So now I'm going to go with concealer, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige. And I'm ready to have a cakey forehead. Okay, now I'm going to take my airspun powder and I'm just going to take a dry beauty blender. While I'm waiting for that to bake, I'm going to put on some mascara, just a little bit. I'm going to take this one. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe that off. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics brush just to blend that out. I honestly don't really like this bronzer that much because I feel like it doesn't do anything. Okay, so I'm just going to take this Tarte blush, it's in the shade Party, and I'm just going to be taking that on a Morphe angle brush. Okay, so for highlight, I really want to use the shade Butterscotch from the Sugar Glow kit. This is too dark for me. Okay, so I'm done the face makeup now, so I'm going to go and apply lashes. I'm just going to use the Chai Marie lashes in the style Princess, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really actually liked how it came out. I think it's really pretty. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!